Hello everyone, Jai Sharma here for HQWebinar, and this video is for everyone who follow Juwon or Juwon site. So I'm going to answer the basic questions and I'm going to give you demo for HQWebinar today, and I'm going to tell you why this technology is the future, why peer-to-peer technology is the future, and how we have built the whole system on it. And we have case studies as well where medical professionals are relying on HQWebinar. So I'm going to answer these 5 questions which is given to me by Juwon, starting from my introduction. Who am I? So I'm one of the fastest guy to do 7-figure business into launches, into product launches, into my first year of my online career, that was 2015. I'm a newbie who got JVG Top Vendor Award in first year of online career, that was into 2015 again. One of the premium vendors into Manchai. I'm expert of 6-figure launches. I've you must have seen my name into different launches of Sell Messenger, Funnel Messenger, Canva Color, Crazy Color, Push Leads, Extreme Builder, Smarter Builder, Auto Viral, Rebake. So I've done close to I've done close to 18 software launches, and I'm a known name, credible name, authority into software launches, and someone whom you can rely on for the best customer support. And that's why I'm in this industry. I keep coming up with a good softwares which help everyone into this industry, get them more leads, more engagement, more traffic, more profit into their business. That's what I do, and that's who I am. Now, second question which Juwon has sent me is, tell us a little bit about HQWebinar. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what HQWebinar is from this page. So HQWebinar is HQWebinar is the webinar system which is built on world's strongest peer-to-peer technology. This is the same technology which is used into blockchain. That's, mind you, the same technology which is used into blockchain, which made blockchain concept famous. Why you see cryptocurrencies, all these Ethereum blockchain, all these blockchains, here and there, Bitcoin blockchain, these are famous because they are on peer-to-peer, a distributed system technology which is famous, and that is the future. So HQWebinar is the first platform which is built on peer-to-peer technology. I'm gonna show you one of the images, which will help you understand. Okay, so there's a streaming server, webinar host, HQWebinar on broadcast delivery network. Ignore if you don't understand this technical thing. So all these webinar attendees are connected via peer-to-peer. So what does it mean? It means that even if webinar has a load, even if it has 1 million attendees on live like automated webinar, it will never go down. There will be no glitch, no delay, no lag. If you have we have tested with 30,000 live attendees into live webinar, and it worked perfectly fine because this technology is so powerful. I'm going to give you example on how this is being used extensively. This is one of the startup, bookhealth.care. You see doctor supervising operations into remote part of the world using UHD video technology, which is inbuilt into this startup by us, by HQWebinar team. So we actually made this system first of all for medical community, for this book healthcare. Then we realized that this technology is so powerful. Why don't we make complete webinar system out of it? We were facing issues with GoToWebinar, with Cisco WebEx, which is very costly, with Zoom. So all these applications, we used to pay $247 per month, $497 per month, $997 per month. We had handful of features. There were a lot of features which was not available into them, and they used to lag, they used to crash. So we thought, why not we make system out of the technology which we have built for others. So imagine medical community of this startup where doctors, patients interact, in this critical life and death situation. They rely on HQWebinar. Actually, they rely on peer-to-peer technology, which is given by us. So imagine how powerful this technology is. So, HQWebinar is built on that system. What you can do, you can run any pre-recorded videos live You can run high quality live videos or live webinars as well, or live like automated webinar, run encore or replay, run paid webinar where you can add your PayPal, you can charge them before entering into webinar system. There's a fully cloud-based software. We have integration with Zapier. You can integrate with 150 different apps. It works with all the page builders, and using it is very easy. You click on create new webinar, select date and time, enter your headline, title, description, share registration link with audience, and start selling on live webinar or automated live webinars. And I've told you, how powerful this technology is. Now coming to if you have issue going online, what you can do: write script for the webinar, record it with presentation like I'm doing it with this video, add a trick, make sure that it's perfect, and just run it live as a webinar. So just make it once, put it on your website, so webinar will run every 5 minutes. Imagine converting each and every website visitor of yours. They come on your website, they see that webinar is going to start in 5 minutes. They come over there, they join it, they interact, they engage, and you make profit. So imagine how powerful this is. Yeah. So next question: how does the software came to be? Like I told you, we made it for the medical startup, one of the companies, and then we realized the power of this technology, peer-to-peer, and we made it for ourselves. Okay, what are your personal results with this one? You'll be surprised to know, in my last launch, Sell-in Messenger, which was around selling everything inside Facebook Messenger, that's my own startup messenger mix. So in my last launch, I did automated webinar on day 2, and I did 127 sales using HQWebinar automated system. So I recorded a video, I streamed it live, as in like a live webinar into my last launch, and I made something around $10,000 revenue, extra revenue into my launch. So that's what I did. And this book, Health.Care, the patients and the doctors are interacting daily. So we are into collaboration with them. They are using this UHD live streaming technology each and every day. So that's our results with HQWebinar. I'm going to show you something more. What else we have over here. So you see over here, we have unlimited attendees, multiple coordinators, up to 15, instant chat option, multimedia, smooth screen sharing, remind your attendees, record and replay, track and export, join a web browser, no delays. You have waiting launch as well, high converting pages which make sure that your audience doesn't leave the room. We have ready to use templates, just click and edit. And we have integration with other system as well, no delay, inbuilt email funnel system. The mails will go to them that webinar is going to start or it has ended. So you can collect payments as well directly into your PayPal. Unlimited support, plus we'll give you free commercial license. That means that you can allow your clients to run webinar from your account, and you can charge them any amount you want. $47 per month, $97 per month, one time, whatever you want. So it's available into very limited price. You'll see on the front end there will be 2 options. So it's very much affordable, very cheap price. So that's what we're giving front end. And if I have to compare with other major options, you see over here with GoToWebinar, Cisco, WebEx, Zoom, and we have HQWebinar. Now you see the pricing. There's a vast difference into pricing of these 3 in HQWebinar. You see what we're giving as a feature. HQ peer-to-peer powerful distribution system only in HQWebinar, cloud-based webinar system, run high-quality live webinars, broadcast any pre-recorded videos live, run automated live like webinar, run encore and replay, on-demand webinars, run paid webinars, high-converting landing pages, unlimited webinar options. Only we are giving autoresponder and email funnels, inbuilt chat system which is better than GoToWebinar. We have analytics, we have real-time HD streaming, unlimited attendees, multiple coordinators up to 15, add multimedia, smooth screen sharing, remind your attendees, no delay. We have waiting launch as well, which is high converting pages which make sure that your audience doesn't leave, brand customization. So no more having the logo of the company which is providing you services like HQWebinar or anyone, you can have your own web, branding and logo to give higher authority feel to your audience. We have free unlimited hosting as well, unlimited email funnel systems, tracking. We have a remarketing system which makes sure that you increase your profit up to 4 times. You can collect payment directly into PayPal using HQWebinar, and this is completely newbie friendly. Pricing for 1,000 attendees, even if you just compare, GoToWebinar is $369 per month, $479 per month in Cisco, Zoom is $340 per month, and what are we giving? $47 per month in just this launch week, and after that it will be monthly recurring. Yeah, so that's kind of everything what we're giving. Anyone and everyone who has business online need HQWebinar, so that you can convert your website visitor into best form. You can engage them, you can build your authority in front of them, you can sell them and make more money. These are the features, everything which you're getting into HQWebinar. And you can use commercial license as well, using which you can make more money by allowing others to run webinar from your own dashboard and making money from it. And you can buy reseller accounts as well, where we'll give you 100 license or 250 license which you can sell. That means you can charge them any amount you want, and you can give them account of HQWebinar from your own dashboard. And yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions, just message Juwon, and he's gonna get in touch with me, and we're gonna answer it. And as a special bonus for everyone who follow Juwon, we have 50 high converting registration pages for them, special secret bonuses, which at this link, and this is not visible, let me make it bright. 1 year WordPress website hosting free for up to 3 domains. That's for everyone who follow Juwon. So yeah, that's it for HQWebinar. Let me know if you have any doubt, and see you.
Hey guys, we are here for a demo for HQWebinar. This is a webinar hosting platform that our team has created. As soon as you log in, you land to a dashboard. Over here, you are presented with 3 options: upcoming webinars, the webinars that you are going to hold in the future, past webinars, webinars that you already held, and pre-recorded webinars, a feature we provide for you to run .mp4 format pre-recorded videos as live webinars. So in this demo, I'll be creating a new webinar. We'll see it over here in the upcoming webinars and then try these options out. So let's create a new webinar. As soon as you click on create new webinar, you're presented with 2 options: host a live webinar or use an existing video file to host a pre-recorded webinar. For this demo, we'll create a live webinar. So we are landed on this page to create a webinar. Let's give this a title: Demo Webinar with me. We can set the time zone, so we basically pick your time zone based on where your machine are. You can change it to wherever you want to set it to. We can upload a webinar picture over here, and we also generate a picture, so we're gonna try that. And we have webinar tags, so basically these help in searching and listing of your products. So we'll add tags, webinar, demo, and let's set it to say 10 minutes from now, 8:15 p.m. Yeah, so you can set whatever, save. So this has created our webinar. So our webinar is supposed to be on 29th June at 8:15 p.m. based on my local time. You can see the UTC time for reference. And okay, this is webinar details page. This is basically to confirm and you can edit the changes that you. So webinar detail page. Over here you can confirm the details that you entered while creating this webinar. You can edit it, add more tags, and also add a webinar description. This is the registration link that would be generated for your prospect attendees. This can be shared, and I want to attend the webinar. I'll just mail myself this proposal. and boom, I'm registered. Under registrants, over here we can see the webinar registrants, those that have registered for the webinars. If there is payment involved, it's set to pending. With this functionality, webinar coordinator, basically you can add moderators for your webinar. They help you manage the chat, the experience itself. You can send an invite to any coordinator, or I'm again going to make that guy a coordinator. We got in, and boom, that guy is added as a coordinator. So when he confirms, this would update. HQWebinar also provides you with email funnel. So all the peoples that have registered, we provide access to the entire catalog, and you can sell automated mails to them, like for 24 hours before the webinar, just for a follow-up. And it's a one-click feature. You could try, say, 15 minutes before webinar, and that will shoot me a mail. We also provided a calendar widget because these days that's pretty important. Resources tabs. This helps you upload resources like PDF, PPTs before your webinar so that all the attendees have access to the material readily. The registration page. So when you create a webinar, a default registration page is provided to you. But if you want to edit it, add more fields, for example, we could edit it through this registration panel. Let's say I want a mobile number also. So I could add it as an optional field. We create the text field, and our dashboard should have been updated by now. Yes. So you can manage your registration page through this console. You could also have app integrations that all your registrations are piped to one of your other services. Like for this account, I have added MailChimp, and you could load the lists from MailChimp. So all the registrations are automatically added to those leads. And you can add more integrations to our ecosystems. So we have a bunch of app integrations that are available right now. PayPal is also there. So have fun. So in this registration page, you could also add a thank you page. So as soon as your webinar ends, if you want your users to be redirected, at the end of, on the registration page, we also have a feature for you to add a thank you page. Basically, if you want your user redirected to a video or another website of yours, you could just add a thank you page, and after the webinars, all the attendees would be redirected there. Branding. We understand how important your brand is for you. So with this branding menu, you could customize the entire look and feel of your webinar by adding, like, say, a color scheme. Let's go a little bit brighter, and let's choose a logo for us. I think I have something on my desktop that might help. So now I'll just open this. I think this much would be fine for now. I'll crop this, and just like that, I have created a custom logo for my webinar series. I've updated the colors. Let's go with that then. Confirmation and webinar room. So basically, this should have updated our template fields to add your logo, your custom colors, and so and so. Your confirmation emails, reminder emails that you send through our email funnel would also be updated with your branding colors. So now I'll show you the registration page builder. So basically, if you want to completely customize the registration process for your webinars, you could create your registration page from our templates. So you could create your own custom pages using my pages. You could use a premium templates. Our team is working hard on adding 50 premium templates to this repository. Let's create a new template using this blank template. Okay. So now that we have created a webinar, it's time to join the room. Join room means going to the backstage of where, as a presenter, we host the webinar. Clicking on join room takes us to the backstage, as I said. Here, we set the resources up as you need. Once you're ready, click on start your video and mic to get your experience started. Hi guys. So now, as I can see, my video looks good, audio looks good, and this shows me one host, 0 viewers. So none of you are watching live right now. So let's start the webinar so some of you can watch online. So we have 0 registrants, so maybe that's why. So now 3, 2, 1, our demo webinar has started. So as you can see, we have provided a few tools for our webinar presenters, like our Chrome extension for screen sharings. So this encapsulates and takes care of picking up screens from other than your browser. We have a few other options available over here. As you can see, I can start and stop my screen sharing. As you see, I have already started sharing my other screen. I can also mute, if I want to adjust my UI, I can do that. I can start and stop the camera if I don't want you to see me. If I want you to see me, I could mute my voice. I don't know if you felt that. You can change the UI to have a full screen view. This is your live chat. So basically, if you have configured your webinar, we have an option to have a one-on-one chat or a live chat. You can configure it however you want to host your webinar. So let's do one thing. Let's open this webinar as a attendee and look at. Yes, and some mobile numbers. So I think this would work well. So let's register it. So this would actually give me my attendee link. So whenever your attendee goes to the registration page, he's provided with the webinar link and also is sent a mail with the webinar link. So let's say, hi new guy. So this is the experience I get as a presenter, and I can talk to, hi Karthik, how are you? All questions will be answered, or whatever you like. So, okay. So let's stop my screen sharing and let's do one thing. Let's stop this webinar and then I'll take you to our next feature. So let's come back to the dashboard for a while. So over here we list the app-wide settings as you will. So basically your app integration, different users, you can manage all your recordings, have some settings, add team members to collaborate from this panel. So let's say I want to add a, so in the team page I see I've added some of my team members. You can add new people from here. Let's go back to the dashboard again. We'll be looking forward to see you all host your webinars and have a great experience with HQ Webinars. Thank you.